Ashok Leyland is a 70-year-old organization. We are the 10th largest manufacturers of trucks and the 4th largest manufacturers of buses globally. And our buses carry 75 million passengers on a daily basis in India, which is about half the population of Japan. We are a $4 billion organization, and we are known for product innovations and product technology. So our company's brand promise is Aapki Jeet, Hamare Jeet, which translates to in English, if our customers win, we win. Listening to the product is as important as listening to the customer. When I say listening to the product, it's the data which is coming out from the product. We started our telematics journey way back in 2005, where we were fitting these devices on the vehicles and capturing the basic data related to latitude and longitude. And then 4 years ago, we went back to the drawing board and then said, what else do we now need to do? So we chalked out our, what we call it as a telematics 2.0.
iAlert is our connected vehicle platform. We capture a lot of data from telematics. To give you some numbers, a billion records a day, around 450 million kilometers a month. So we have a lot of data with us. The solution was running on an infrastructure-based. We had a lot of challenges like limited scalability, operational problems, complexity of operation, licensing costs, and so forth. So we definitely need some infrastructure support, predominantly our cloud service provider with a platform as a service solution. So that's one of the main reasons we thought we'll shift to Amazon. Primary benefit was the cost reduction, which came out after moving to the PaaS. So we used to leverage the spot fleets, which helped us reduce the cost. The second is the processing capability has improved much faster with a scalable solution. So we could get around a 40% improvement in our KPI computation. Our data processing speed reduced from 45 seconds to under 10 seconds now. We have moved up completely from the infrastructure and we are running all our services on the platform as a service, which gives us the length and breadth of the solution to scale up much faster. And all applications are available on AWS. So now we are doing analytics on top of this data with various technologies from AWS. And this is now helping our data scientists to work much faster. So this has helped us in improving our data analytics capabilities in providing deep insights to our customers.
The customer has now started realizing the benefits of these telematics and the connected vehicle platform, which is not only track and trace, but it gives them a lot of alerts in terms of the health of the vehicle. If, for example, the battery level comes down, he comes to know well in advance that the battery is going to fail in the next 5 days. So it is helping him in managing the fleet much more efficiently. There is a huge scarcity of commercial vehicle drivers in India. So we provide data related to the driver behavior, which helps him in retaining the drivers.
While all of us think that migration from one cloud to other is a little difficult, now that with the help of the Amazon partners ecosystem, we found that the migration was hassle-free and we could do it in under 3 months.
Because of the connected vehicle platform, product insights are driving customer insights. Today, we are building computers on top of vehicles, and in the next few years, we are going to build vehicles on top of computers.